Hey everyone, and welcome to Talk ETFs, ETF.com's weekly video series. My name is Sumit Roy, and I'm Senior Analyst here at ETF.com. This week, I'm speaking with Francis Oh, who's the APAC CEO of Qraft Technologies. Really great to have you, Francis. I want to talk about your AI-powered ETF. It's called the Qraft AI-Enhanced U.S. Large Cap ETF. It has the ticker symbol QRFT. Can you tell us how this ETF works?
Yes, thank you. Our QRFT is one of the unique kind of the actively managed ETF in the New York Stock Exchange. It listed in the May 2019, so it has over 5 years of the life track record, and it is powered by the artificial intelligence, not just using the large language model or the natural language processing for selecting the thematic names, where the usual AI model, AI ETFs are managing. Our model is utilizing AI models' prediction power, trying to forecast how the market or individual stocks will be changing over the time. And it has been fairly well working. Since the inception of its QRFT in 2019, our ETF has been delivering over 10% points of outperformance against the S&P 500 tracking ETF in the market.
I noticed, Francis, that the ETF recently sold Nvidia ahead of the drop in that stock. Why did it do that? And how active in terms of trading is this ETF?
So that was a very interesting observation for even to me as well, because the QRFT, since its inception in 2019, it has been pretty much investing into Nvidia all the time. But starting from this year, it started changing its the view of the Nvidia. For example, like the 2024, the June, there was a moment that the QRFT, the model is decreasing the Nvidia weight to 0.6%. And then starting from this August, we are seeing that the QRFT AI model is making a decision entirely divesting Nvidia from its portfolio. And we are seeing the same thing in the September portfolio as well. So since the beginning of the August, we do not have any Nvidia position in our QRFT, which is quite bold and unusual decision making that we could think about the human portfolio manager. It could be very difficult to do. But however, our AI model is utilizing the deep learning famous transformer engine to process all the time series market data, macro data, and made a decision based on purely on the data and by its trained the artificial intelligence to the navigating market opportunities. Then our model, given all the deterioration of the sentiment among the Nvidia and then economic downturn, and also the worries arising around the artificial intelligence, the chipset maker, not only for Nvidia, but other names as well. And our model finally deciding to take out the Nvidia. And it was bold, but at the same time has been proven to be accurate decision for the last 2 months of time.
You mentioned, Francis, that this model that you use isn't just about the LLMs, but of course, we've seen LLMs and generative AI in general really take off since 2022. Have you incorporated this technology into, your strategy?
Yes. So the one great thing about artificial intelligence is nowadays, literally every other day, we're having the additional or the advanced model is introducing. It's more like we are having the great race is happening to build a better AI model by entire the scientific society nowadays. And our model, we still have the same foundational philosophy of where we want to apply AI. For example, QRFT, where we are applying AI is trying to enhance the factor model by using AI to utilizing much more the large amount of data and trying to remove humans' emotion out of decision making. So that philosophy has been there, the same for the last 5+ years. But the specific AI models, let's say the version of AI model is a continuous enhancing. So current model for the AI QRFT is that one we set for the end of the last year, and then it has been the train to delivering a stable return over the market by utilizing the state-of-art artificial intelligence, including the transformer engine and many other different engines all together to managing this model.
So as you mentioned, Francis, the performance of the ETF has been quite good. It's been outperforming the S&P 500 pretty consistently. On the other hand, it only has about $15 million in assets under management. Why do you think investors haven't, bought into this ETF in a big way quite yet?
Right. Let's think about the how the AI has been slowly embraced by our society. Actually, the concept of artificial intelligence is not a new thing at all. It's been there since the late 1950s. It's been over 70 years, the concept. But for the last, it has been widely accepted and embraced for the last couple of years, especially after the ChatGPT 3 was introduced to the market. And we are seeing, as my personal observation, we are seeing something similar thing happen for the AI-powered ETFs as well. The QRFT, the size is 50 million, but it's a double up since the last year ends. And our other ETF, AMOM, also more than double up for the last couple of months of time. Given its proven record over 5 years, and those who are RIAs who are looking into the utilizing some ETFs, actively manage it, but at the same time with a proven track record, then I think our AI ETFs could be quite good should maybe consider by the investors.
Well, fantastic, Francis. A really interesting ETF. You gave us a ton of great insight. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much, Sumit.